Looking for the best electric pole saw to help with your yard work? Check out our top picks. We've compiled a list of the best saws on the market, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're looking for a heavy-duty saw to tackle big jobs, or a lightweight model for easy maneuverability, so let's get started. List number 1. Works WG309 8-amp 10 inches electric pole saw. WG309 electric pole saw from Works is a 2-in-1 tool. The pole saw is designed to cut through branches of all sizes, while the 10-amp motor makes it more powerful than most other pole saws. Works WG309 is equipped with an auto choke so you have accurate and reliable operation, even in thick brush. Designed to attach to a wall, this saw is the answer for trimming branches from trees and felling large logs. It can cut through 1-2 inches thick woods with relative ease, and will then switch over to its 12-volt cordless mode for work in your shop or garage. For an electric saw, it's got some serious power with an 8-amp motor that reaches speeds up to 3,200 revolutions per minute. Its 1 3/4 HP motor provides you with plenty of cutting power even if you're working at height, especially when coupled with a powerful 24-volt lithium-ion battery. And since it has 2 handles, you can work standing up if needed. The handguard protects you from falling debris. And an off-on switch on the bottom of the pole lets you start or stop the saw without bringing it up and down repeatedly. This is an electric chainsaw, so you don't have to worry about all the downsides of gas-powered tools. This saw will be less expensive to run and maintain, cleaner for both you and the environment, and much quieter. This is 2 saws for the price of 1. Plus, it's the safer way to trim your branches. The pole connects quickly, and without the need for any tools. So you can cut down those problematic branches, then pop off the pole and use it like a regular chainsaw, and chop those branches up on the ground. List number 2. Sun Joe SWJ806E 8-inch 8.0-amp 2-in-1 convertible pole chainsaw. The Sun Joe SWJ806E 8-inch 8.0-amp 2-in-1 convertible pole chainsaw takes the danger and difficulty out of trimming your overgrown trees. The Sun Joe SWJ806E 2-in-1 convertible electric pole chain plus saw takes the danger and difficulty out of trimming your overgrown trees. Stand safely on solid ground and simply adjust Sun Joe's telescoping pole to gain up to 15 feet of overhead reach. Later, when the limbs are down and there's wood to be cut, Sun Joe quickly converts to a handheld chainsaw to make light work of loads of logs. Powered by a robust 7.5-amp motor, the SWJ806E can handle the most stubborn tree limbs up to 7.5 inches thick. It features a durable, 8-inch Oregon bar and chain with an auto oiler to keep the bar and chain fully lubricated during use. The telescoping pole extends to 8.6 feet for up to 15-foot overhead reach. With 15 feet of overhead reach, stand safely on solid ground and simply adjust the telescoping pole to gain up to 15 feet of overhead reach. Later, when the limbs are down and there's wood to be cut, simply convert back to a handheld chainsaw and tackle loads of logs with ease. This 2-in-1 tool quickly converts to a chainsaw and then back to an electric pole chain. Stand safely on solid ground and simply adjust the telescoping pole to gain up to 15 feet of overhead reach. From cutting branches to heavy-duty grinding, the Sun Joe SWJ806E pole saw is a versatile tool for cutting and trimming any unwanted growth. List number 3. Sun Joe SWJ802E9 featuring 6.5-amp electric pole chainsaw. The SWJ802E can handle the most stubborn tree limbs up to 7.5 inches thick. Powered by an 8-inch Oregon bar and chain with an auto oiler to keep the bar and chain fully lubricated during use, this pole chainsaw will provide years of service. Stand safely on solid ground and extend its telescoping pole to gain up to 15 feet of overhead reach. Powered by a 6.5-amp motor, The SWJ802E can handle the most stubborn tree limbs up to 7.5 inches thick. This pole chain saw features an 8-inch Oregon bar and chain with an auto oiler to keep the bar and chain fully lubricated during use. Unique to SWJ802E is a multi-position adjustable head, which cuts from 0 to 30 angles. Unlike gas-powered tools, the Sun Joe pole saw is powered electrically, so you'll reliably power up with the push of a button without having to deal with smoke, fumes, unpredictable starters or costly tune-ups. Unique to SWJ802E is a multi-position adjustable head, which cuts from 0 to 30 angles. At only 7.9 pounds, the Sun Joe SWJ802E is super lightweight and easy to handle. Stand safely on solid ground while adjusting the telescoping pole. The Sun Joe SWJ802E is the latest addition to the SWJ family and the only 9-foot pole chain saw that is FDA approved for use on non-stop duty. This powerful, lightweight and easy-to-handle tool features an 8-inch Oregon bar and chain with an auto oiler to keep the bar and chain fully lubricated during use. List number 4. Sun Joe SWJ807E 10-inch 8.0 amp electric convertible pole chain saw. The Sun Joe SWJ807E 10-inch 8.0 amp electric convertible pole chain saw takes the dangers and difficulty out of trimming your overgrown trees. Stand safely on solid ground, and adjust the telescoping pole to gain up to 15 feet of overhead reach. Later, when there's wood to be cut, the SWJ807E quickly converts to a handheld chainsaw to make light work of loads of logs. Powered by a robust 8-amp motor, this durable saw can handle the most stubborn tree limbs up to 7 inches thick. It features a durable bar and chain with an auto oiler to keep both bar and chain fully lubricated during use. The SWJ807E 2-in-1 convertible electric pole chain plus saw takes the danger and difficulty out of trimming your overgrown trees. Unlike gas-powered tools, SWJ807E is powered electrically, so you'll power up reliably every time with the push of a button, without having to deal with smoke, fumes, spark plugs or costly tune-ups. Plus the SWJ807E comes equipped with a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting. Once the limbs are down and there's wood to be cut, quickly convert it back into a handheld chainsaw for light work jobs. The 8.0 amp motor can handle logs up to 7 inches thick. The Sun Joe SWJ807E convertible electric pole chain plus saw carries a full 2-year. List number 5. Wen 4021 8-inch 6.5A electric telescoping pole saw. The Wen 6.5 amp electric pole saw extends out to 9.5 feet for even the most difficult and awkwardly placed branches. The high-quality saw chain provides a good clean cut while the automatic oiling system ensures that the chain stays properly lubricated. The tool-free chain tensioning system simplifies chain changes and adjustments. Telescope the pole anywhere from 6.5 to 9.5 feet for a custom length that meets the needs of the task at hand. Cuts through dense canopies with the low center of gravity, allowing it to be pulled easily by even the most athletic users. The lightweight aluminum bar and chain construction is made for long-lasting durability. The automatic oiling system ensures that the chain stays lubricated during use. This 6.5 amp motor rotates the chain up to 36 feet per second, pairing with the automatic chain oiling system, and the tool-free chain tensioning system to simplify chain changes and adjustments. Lightweight 8-pound design combined with the ergonomic handle, and included shoulder strap alleviates stress and limit fatigue, making it easy to reach branches up to 13.5 overhead. The saw also includes a built-in safety switch for the trigger to minimize accidents, a shoulder strap for easy transportation, and a scabbard to protect the chain and bar guide, and because it's a Wen product,